Hi everyone, and welcome back to another drawing video. For today's video, I'll be drawing Nikolai Belinski in a pink frosted sprinkled donut. As always, sit back, relax, and enjoy my lovely drawings. Before starting on drawing Nikolai's face, I began with his beard and mustache since he's got a considerable amount of facial hair to go with his face. These slight wrinkles in Nikolai's face I've drawn in to show his age, and the scuff he's got to his face, especially with his big fuzzy eyebrows. What I'm drawing here is the small belt strap, which is connected to his goggles, to keep Nikolai's goggles from falling off. These little dots you see me adding are part of the clothing design that Nikolai wears. Of course, to keep this drawing from just being Nikolai's floating head, I'm drawing part of his upper clothing to finish off. with that, here's my completed drawing of Nikolai. Let's move on to my next drawing. I'm drawing this line in to distinguish where the middle of the donut is marked, and with that in place, I can begin drawing the frosting on the donut. And because this request also requires sprinkles on the donut, I'll go ahead and draw those little sprinkles in. And don't worry, when I get around to coloring in all my drawings, I'll make sure to color the frosting pink, just to keep that request the same and not color in the frosting as another color. And with the sprinkles added in, this is my completed drawing of a pink frosted donut with sprinkles as the topping. And that does it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. And check out my other drawing videos if you haven't yet. I'd love to hear your thoughts about them. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time.